Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a webhook for your Discord. So if you're building a game or whatever you want to do, you can add a webhook for GitHub. So we'll go to here and we'll say the game's called Dawn. We'll say updates, Dawn updates. So create channel. Okay, we're going to create a new webhook. So we'll go to integrations, go to create webhook. Once you are in here and you have the new webhook, we're going to rename this to, let's say, Dawn Update Bot. Okay, we'll say Save Changes. We want to copy this URL. So then from here, we'll go into GitHub itself. So let's go to github.com. And then we will go to your repositories. And we want to go to, actually go to here. This is where mine's at, Watchtower. Nope. Done. Okay, so we'll go into settings. We'll add a new webhook. Say add. Let's use your password. And then we will post this URL. At the end of the URL, super important, say /GitHub. Okay, once you hit the /GitHub, you're going to put this as JSON. And then you can decide on what you want to push. So if you just leave it at push event, it's going to push anything that you do to this. You can also select individual events if you just want certain things to come through. Just for this video, we're just going to leave it as push the event. And we're going to say add webhook. Okay, so now we have our webhook, and let's do a push. So let's go to GitHub desktop. We will find Dawn. We may need to make a change. Now what we can do is we can go to code. I think I have a merge that I can't do. So, yep. So we're going to go ahead and create a pull request. And we'll just do create pull request. Check if it can't merge. Say merge pull request. Confirm merge. And then as you can see, I've got a notification inside of here. And now we have our update. 2 commits, inventory merge. And there you go. And that's how you successfully add in your webhooks for your development. All right. Thanks, guys.